Meaning of immeasurable.
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 Immeasurable. The term immeasurable refers to something that cannot be measured or quantified. It is used to describe things that are too vast, too complex, or too abstract to be accurately assessed by numerical values. When something is immeasurable, it can be challenging to understand its scope or impact. This can make it difficult to evaluate, compare, or make decisions about it. The concept of immeasurability is often encountered in philosophy, science, and spirituality, where it is used to explore the limits of human knowledge, perception, and comprehension.